Hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Professor. So today we are going to type the 26th program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about link tag. How to use link tag. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag to give title. Now we'll end the head tag. Now we'll start the body tag. Now we'll use a HREF tag, which specifies the location of the linked document. Now we will give the file name which we are going to open later. After this file is done, I will end the body tag and HTML tag. Link tag defines a link between document and an external resource. So now we will save it with the extension HTML and in all files. Now we will make sub.html file, this file. So we will make this file now. Then only the output will come. We will have to make the head this sub file. Now we'll end the title tag. Now we'll end the head tag. Now body tag. Then h1 tag. Now we'll end the h1 tag and body tag. And similarly the HTML tag. Now we'll save it with the name sub.html and in all files. So now let us check the output. We have to click here and this is the sub file which we have done. So this is the basic output of link tag.